A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for goat, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mouse, N for nest, O for owl, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for was, X for Xmas, Y for yak, Z for zebra,